Intrigued about Singapore cuisine, but a bit hesitant to try it because you're considering the price first? No worries, we have the perfect place for you to go. This place offers Singaporean cuisine that is delicious, quality, and affordable. Ever heard about Bugis Singapore street food? If not and you're interested, then you're on the right article. Bugis Singapore street food menu offers a wide variety of dishes from breakfast to dinner. This place serves authentic Singaporean dishes that I'm pretty sure everyone will love. Bugis Singapore Street Food is a Thai restaurant located in the heart of Quezon City, Metro Manila. Specializing in authentic Singaporean and Thai street food, Bugis offers a unique dining experience that transports customers to the vibrant streets of Bugis, one of Singapore's most famous food destinations. The menu features a wide variety of dishes, from classic Singaporean noodles to flavorful Thai curries and spicy street snacks. With an emphasis on fresh ingredients and bold flavors, Bugis Singapore street food is a must-visit destination for anyone craving a taste of Southeast Asia in Quezon City. Conveniently located at Tatalan Banaw Street, Bugis Singapore street food is the perfect spot for a quick lunch or a relaxed dinner with family and friends. Our cozy and inviting atmosphere, combined with exceptional service, ensures that every visit to Bugis is a memorable one. Whether you're a seasoned street food aficionado or a newcomer to Southeast Asian cuisine, Bugis Singapore street food promises a culinary adventure that will delight your taste buds and leave you craving more. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.